Converting an image to another image using AI services is really simple and easy. All you have to do is think about it. Just have a picture. You give it the image and you also give it a prompt. It gives you the output, but generally services like Nano and similar ones have a lot of limitations. Or you have to pay for it monthly. But today, I'm going to introduce you to a service that is unlimited, has no ads, no watermarks, and even lets you use Nano within it. It also has its own standard, very good, and a special model that lets you do this easily. I'll definitely put the link for you in the description. On its own website, it says you can use this site completely free, with no limitations, no registration, and no need to enter a credit card. It also provides some explanations and tutorials itself, but we're gonna jump straight into generating images. If we click on the transform image button, we'll go straight in. The only thing we need to do first is to provide it with an image. Then we need to write a prompt specifying exactly what we want our image to do. We also need to specify the model. It has a standard model. It also has a Nano model inside, and both of them are completely free. Alongside that, we can also set the image dimensions. I'll tell you a very important point about this later on. I enter my prompt. Very simply, I want this character of mine to have their outfit changed to a Spider-Man costume. After giving it a few moments, you can see for yourself the amazing and impressive result it produces. It has kept the character completely unchanged. Only changed the outfit and I can view this image. I can even download it. I'll show you the original image. Compare it with the version it generated, see how well it did this, how simple it was, and how well it managed to keep the character consistent. I'll download this image for you as well, because I want to do a test for you with the Nano model too. I'm taking exactly this image, the same model, and using it in the image generation mode with Nano, and the Nano output will be ready. I'll download this image again as well, because I want to compare it for you. I'll put the two models side by side. On the right is the image created with the standard model of this website. On the left is the model generated with Nano. In my opinion, the model on the right is much better. Its colors are much better, and the way it has rendered the clothes and body is, in my opinion, far superior to the model introduced as Nano. You can write anything you have in mind here. There are no limitations. For example, I want to write that I want this character of mine to be older and make him look aged. It does exactly that for me. It delivers the output to me. It does this very well and perfectly. You just need to write it for it. Or, for example, in the next prompt, what I want to do is to keep this character with all its features and just change its clothes to summer clothes. Again, this happens, and I can easily and simply download this image and use it however I want. A very important and interesting point here is that you can easily expand your images, make them bigger. My image is vertical, but I want to make it horizontal. I want to make it 16 by 9. You just need to select the aspect ratio and click generate. It does this for me easily. I'll download this image as well. See for yourself how great it is. It gives me the image without any watermark or any issues. I hope you make the most of this service. Create as many images as you can with it and introduce it to your friends too. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss my future tutorials.